All right, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and thanks for joining in. So I got a really exciting matchup for you guys tonight. And first and foremost, on my left-hand side, let me welcome back the 2017 C7 Z06. Now, last time you guys saw this car on our channel, all he had was just an upgraded intake and no tune. Now, before, many people accused him of being modified and tuned, but he never was. But now he is. So now, let me show you what's done to this car. This car is pretty much a full bolt-on car. It's got an upper and lower pulley, upgraded intake. Let me go on this side. Throttle body, Longtube headers, X-pipe, and it's on an E50 Tune with Meth injection. Now, he was street tuned, so he never got dynoed, but we're gonna estimate this car to be somewhere around 700 horsepower, give or take. Could be a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. Now, these cars, they weigh a little over 3,500 pounds, and he's running on 305 Nitto NT555R2 tires. Now, this car is equipped with the 8-speed automatic transmission, and he did get a TCU tune for it. So, he's going to be running up against a 2014 Nissan GTR. Now, you guys have seen this car on our channel. The last time you saw it, he ran against the McLaren GT. Now, just a little recap of what's done to this car. This car has hybrid turbos. Now, the owner doesn't know exactly which hybrids are on here. But other than that, he's got a complete full bolt-on setup, upgraded intercooler kit, intakes, and a full turbo back exhaust system with speed. He's on speed density, and he's on an E85 tune. Now, he just got retuned recently and just got off the dyno, and he made 737 to the wheels. Now, these cars are a little bit heavier than the Z06. They weigh around 3,800 to 3,900 pounds, and of course, these cars are all-wheel drive. So, it should be a good race. So, both cars will be taking one passenger. So, let's see how it goes. Alright, guys. So, I'm here in the Z06. And the first race we're going to do with the GTR is going to be for 50 miles an hour. And we're going to be in second gear. Now we're going to do a 50 roll again, but this time the GTR is going to be using rolling anti-lag. Moves out. Woo! Good stuff.